we guide you through how to change time zone on Slack. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Slack app on desktop or go to slack.com and log in into your workspace. Once inside, look at the top right corner and click your profile picture. Then select your profile or account settings depending on your version. This will open your account preferences page. Next, scroll down until you see the time zone section, where Slack usually auto-detect your location. To change it, change Edit button beside the time zone field. A drop-down list will appear, so choose your correct region or city-based time zone. For example, GMT plus 8 if you're in the Philippines. After selecting, make sure to click Save or just exit if it auto-saves your changes. Now, go back to your Slack workspace and refresh the page to confirm everything is updated. From this point forward, all scheduled messages, reminders, and timestamps will reflect your new time zone correctly, helping you avoid confusion and miss updates.